Oh, Charlie, I did the way them say they don't pin you more for I do the Red Star more, almost the China more. So I say, make I go check what they going for there. As I go, them not open the gates, I see the people them did there. I take it for follow. So I base like those around where them say, them open them the first one, sick of the rush in it. Them tell my gate, I say one gate, you from my locking, you know. Charlie, see. Hello guys, welcome to Republic, the only place where happiness gets naked. So today I'm also moving China Mall, but I didn't hear Red Star Mall, but people they call China Mall. What I do, that's Anaje Apollo Highway. And you know Takoradi, always say Ghanaians, yeah, me drew hono. Charlie, the crowd there, dominant Dawson. Yeah, crowd planning, I didn't use to never Ghana. And according to sources, they said almost say like whatever you go pick, whether TV, whether for your be 15 cities. That's why you have people over here. Or more ready. They come to pick items for 15 cities. Yeah. Who know Takoradi very well? If you know Takoradi, imagine I do traffic lights on. Yeah, this is the opposite, the Red Star Mall. That's the signboard you see over there. If I'm right, I say Oko, Anaje, Oko, Cancer, and Kofo, and Tankofo side. And on my left, Oko like K Apollo. Yeah. So I'm standing right under the traffic light. Hold on, Genesis here, memo view, no. Yeah. You can see from my front, back, left, right, everywhere it's packed. Someone will ask, why there store keke will let me say more will be some coffee baby. I don't mean myself one or something like that. Excuse my word. If you don't know, don't just say anything else. According to sources, or when we came here, we have talked to people, and they're saying that they heard it, or let me say they saw it on social media, that anything you would take, like Adia Befibia, say TV, say Mpa, say you can name fridge, so yeah, stuffing check, dining set, like anything you would take, anything you go see for the mornings, Adia Befibia, 15 cities, 5 cities, 3. Yeah, that's why they are here. And we have women, as usual, Une Mesafode, Alufole, Amope. Hey, be saying no follow share, be some follow rock. And they are here. Some two are saying that we will talk about that one at the Kai 2017, 2018, you are the 2018 at the Kai actually. Ndom Gugu will say true. The question is, for how long is this going to survive? Because talk about it for the that's what people say. When they see at the fourth floor, hey, that's no way I mean. They worship you, sir. Bechi, if you know, like. Like I need to be one bonsan chiben. I don't know. Let me remind you, we have so many places, so many joints, so many chilling places. When it came beginning, Charlie, almost every people were there. But right now, I say Boachibini. So people are asking, it's Red Star Mall. They say China Mall. Is it going to be the same? But the issue is no, because over here we spoke to some of the Chinese people and they said they are here to stay. They are here to serve Takoradi and Ghana at large. So as you can see, we have so many people trooping in. And they said we'll be the first one. The way people were rushing was say one gate. That's why they have blocked it for security reasons. They have blocked it to further notice. So I'll be going inside and find out what's going over there. The Busafo, me and me go inside and Misha one taxi driver be. Or say like he say you don't want camera inside or no a camera shy on pay video. Yeah, I'm probably popular. Because he's popular already. He said this Red Star Mall now first net friendly champion. Yeah, it was a supermarket or let's say supermarket like something like that. And according to Onono, he said that it was for the Chinese people. No one is just more core bets and just more one debates. That's what the guy is saying. The taxi driver is saying. To just more debates, no, as son what Panama China for. That's what they are saying. Yeah, that's what the taxi driver is saying. Also, I'm funny too, but he doesn't want his face to also appear in the video, like Menenbechon. So yeah, so this the champion. Yeah, it's a Red Star Mall, and we are here. We're just observing, and we are bringing you all the news, the tidbits, pin put of phone, yeah, bro. We did here 24/7. It's almost like they're not going to open. Say not going to open just because people are rushing them, and we can see, and I know you too. You can see people still and still they're trooping in. We could go inside. Me traffic light na still. After number go inside and outside the pony, just outside. How much more inside? Outside the pony, and I haven't showed you the from where I'm standing from my left as I look at my top people there and then they come right to so where the Alive filling station is, where the echo point and kill Braga outside people there. Like here is very packed, like power packed. And I've seen some police officers also trooping because they need security. They need security because the crowd like Domino Dawson, and they're even scared. They're even scared. So we are all waiting. So let me go inside and tell what's happening over there. Guys, meet Adepa, one of the finest PTAs like pharmacists you can ever get. Yeah. So I asked her, Adepa na house. So Lord, Mekwana na meet the was will be rest time when I'm so big in Hadi. So Adepa to is here, about this afraid 15 cities. So I was like, let me give you a 360 view. Yeah, 360 view so that you can see what's happening at my back or behind me. So there's the Alive filling station there. Here's Power Park. Power Park. Mami Charo, let me go so that you see more people there. So there's the rest more. Yeah, there's the entrance. Yeah. Mami come left. Okay, push. Don't stop. Go. We want to see. Oh, give her the 360. All right, so hold on. Yeah, this is a 360. Yeah. Oh, it was too fast. Oh, why? And the power was like, you Lord, every day the video people, they be a chunk of first side. And I was like, Adepa, how can you video the video man? All right, so let me video Adepa for you. So we just video ourselves for there. I don't know if you are seeing. Hey, it will be easy. You didn't the man. So there's Adepa. Adepa so you content offer. As of like the boy. Oh, Adepa. Okay, so we are going inside here. We are just going to check what's going over there. And I learned people are even there. I mean the inside. People are even there more than we were there outside. So join us as we go inside there. So on our way going, we met at the panel and we're funny peaches, honey, and that's what they have to say. Woman, what's what happened to you? I don't know about one that. Also, about the fridge. So where we inside the restaurant, I bet you people did here past outside. Hey, Charlie, C-squad. And if you talk to five people, you get 4 people saying that they are here because of the 15 cities. And I don't know where they got this information from because I don't take a fridge for just 15 cities. Now, where you stay, I learned one lady, she stay for a sipon, also before 15 cities. So from my duty to a sipon, so I don't know, but the DJ dropping that song with Dishe Shatawale and show and people are jamming to it. Let's listen. Oh, Charlie. Alright, so I met 2 of Tadi's biggest, finest content creators, Babadam and Castro One. Charlie, big up, Cinnamon, at the salutes. as the music were jamming, I don't know what they heard. People were rushing like I'm going to so cute. I don't know whether they were told they come to open the mall. I don't know what happened. So people were rushing. People were rushing. Crime and book out of from Chalayawa. But the thing is, they're not going to open today. They're not going to open today. Take it from me. They said they're going to open it tomorrow, 10 a.m. And the promotion is October to December. So are you rushing? All right, so guys, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share. Thank you for. Bye bye.